Hi everyone, this is the Focus Spender, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a free investing app called Public that allows you to earn high interest on your money that's settled in the account and invest what you can afford in your favorite companies. But first, if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. My channel is all about getting out of debt, staying out of debt, organizing your finances, and increasing your net worth. And if you would like to follow me on social media, you can find me at Focus Spender on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Now let's get started. So a few months ago, I received an email from the folks at Public about trying out their investment app. And I thought, okay, how many investment apps can I really try out? So I was a little bit skeptical, but then I looked into the app and I was like, okay, I'm intrigued. So the Public app is actually a reboot of their original app called Matador, and they just relaunched and enhanced their features. When I think of the Public app, I kind of think of it as a mashup of the Robinhood app, M1 Finance, Twitter, and a high interest savings account. And here's why I say that. You can buy individual shares, you can buy ETFs. You can also buy slices of shares in companies. You can follow people and see what they are doing and how they're investing. You can have people follow you and build some sense of community. And you actually can also earn 2.5% in interest on up to $10,000 of settled cash. So the money that's sitting in your account that's not being invested, you will earn 2.5% in interest right now. So now what I want to do is just give you a really quick tour of the app. Okay, so now we're in my app and you can see my portfolio is empty because I actually haven't invested anything yet, but I have put in $250. And so right here you can see where you can follow people. So these are people that have public accounts, and you can click on one of their accounts. You can see how many people are following them, and you can look at their portfolio, and you can also see their activity. So let's see someone that's pretty active. So this person has 236 followers and recently bought Uber. They bought NASDAQ. I don't know how you buy NASDAQ. They bought NASDAQ, they bought ProShares. They sold Aspen Group and lost 25.29%. But basically you can see what people have been doing. Here you can see the popular stocks that are on Public. So these stocks are popular with the people who are investing in Public. So a lot of Public users have been buying these stocks. And here they have themes to explore. So if you want to see all of their themes, and their themes are basically categories of stocks, you can go to the search page and you can click on themes, and then you can click on explore more themes. So we have tech giants, we have the future is female, we have New Kids on the Block, which are companies that have recently IPO'd. But the theme that I want to go into is the finally public offerings, and that has a little pizza slice, because these are the stocks that you can buy slices in. So what I've noticed just from looking at the app is that they are trying to introduce more and more stocks that have slices. So you can't buy slices of all of their stocks that they have on the platform, but they do have a number of stocks that you can buy slices of. And when I was testing the app out, what I saw for stocks that they didn't have slices in, you can click on notify if you want to be notified as to when they're going to be offering slices. So if you want to buy, let's say you want to buy Microsoft, you would click on Microsoft, and you can buy in two ways. So you click on buy, and you can either buy full shares. So let's say I want to buy 2 shares, and I would click on continue. Or if I want to buy slices, I can select how much I want to spend, whether it's 5, 10, 25, and they stop at $10,000. So it goes up in $5 increments to start, and then $25 increments thereafter, and then eventually 50, 150, 1,000, etc. So let's go back out. So here they have the headlines, and basically it's giving you the latest news in stocks. So if you are just on the train, on your commute, you can always just pop into the app and look and see exactly how different companies are doing based on their headlines. These articles are written by Public, so they have 2 feeds. They have a feed called Morning Brew that you can subscribe to, and they have another feed called Finimize. And if you want to just see the regular news of a company, you would go directly into the company, and then You can see what Wall Street thinks, whether it's a buy, hold, or sell. You can see events that are coming up. It has the dates of when their next earnings reports will be coming out. You can see their historical performance. You can see other stats about the company. And then you can also click on View All News. And these are articles that are being sourced from around the internet about this company. If you want to be alerted to more information about a particular theme, you can just click on Follow, and then you will get more information in your newsfeed about that theme. So like I said, you can earn 2.5% on your settled cash. And let's see, so if you click on here, you can see that I have $250 in my cash. And here it shows that I will be earning 2.5% on a monthly basis for my cash that's in the account. I just put money in, which is why I don't have any interest yet. And also, if you want to just come in and search for a stock, you can just come in, type in the stock name. I earlier typed in United Airlines just to see if they had it, and they do. And so I can buy shares in that company if I would like to. But I already have shares in this company, so I will not be buying any more today. So that's it when it comes to the app. It's very simple to use. And now I just want to go into some pros and cons. And I also want to give a bit of a challenge for people who are interested in trying out the app, or if they want to see me try out the app fully. Here are the pros for the app. It's free to use. There's no trading fees, no monthly fees. My assumption is that they are making their money based off of your money that you have in your quote unquote savings accounts with them. So they're probably investing that money and earning interest because they're not making any money from fees. Just like a high interest savings account, you can earn 2.5% in interest, and that's actually much higher than other high interest savings accounts out there. Another pro is that you can buy individual stocks and you can buy fractional shares, so you can buy what you can afford. So you don't have to worry that, I really want to buy shares in Amazon, but Amazon is selling for, I don't know, $1,800 a share or something crazy. And now you can buy actual shares in Amazon. It's a very simple to use platform, which I appreciate, and it gives you a lot of news that's constantly being updated on things that are trending in the stock market. Another pro is that you can buy ETFs. At first, when I was doing research for the video, I didn't see where the ETFs were. That was going to be my con, that, oh, you can't buy ETFs. But when you look on a theme and you scroll down in the theme, you'll see all the stocks they have in that theme. And at the bottom, it'll say ETFs, and you can purchase ETFs for that theme that you're interested in. Now, the cons, because there are always cons. So my favorite thing to do when I buy stocks is to be able to auto invest, and I always want my dividends to be reinvested. And from reviewing the app, I don't see anywhere that you can auto invest, and I don't see how your money will be reinvested. The good thing I can say is that when you do get dividends, the money should go into your settled account, and you will still continue to earn interest on your money. So the money won't just be sitting out doing nothing. It just won't be reinvested into the original stock, but you will earn interest on it. Now, who is this app for? So I think this app is for a range of people. When it comes to apps that you are buying individual stocks, I don't like novice users to use apps like that, because I feel like you just don't know enough information about what you're buying and why. And I also don't like to buy individual stocks, but the fact that they have ETFs makes me feel so much more comfortable in recommending this to novice investors, because you can just completely bypass the individual stocks, go straight to the ETFs and purchase that instead. This app can be used by anyone that really understands how to invest. They can buy their full shares, they can buy portions of shares, they can buy ETFs, they can do whatever they want, and they can also earn a lot of interest. Now, as you can see from looking at my tour, I put in $250, but I have not purchased any stocks yet. If you really want me to really try this app out, I want you to comment below with your best stock picks, and hopefully they do have those stocks in their fractional share pieces so that I can build out a well-rounded portfolio with my $250, and then I can come back and show you how I've done. And if you want to try out the Public app, they do have a great offer going on right now. It's a 10 for 10, meaning that if you sign up for the account, you'll get $10 deposited into your account, and I'll get $10 deposited into my account. But also, if you send the link to a friend and they sign up as well, you'll get an additional $10 and they'll get $10 as well. So it's a win-win in that situation. And if you want to sign up, please be sure to click on the link in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.